Hello and welcome. In this video, we want to look at optional chaining. So let's declare an optional word of type optional string. So we have a box which can have a string value inside of it, or it can have nothing inside of it. So now let's just say we want to print out our word, but just uppercase. So let's just do this. Word.uppercase, and let's just run our code. Okay, so this was a test. Of course we can't do this because what's a box uppercase? So we have to, of course, first get the value out of our box in order to do something with it. We can just force unwrap it. And of course, again, we will get an error because we have just force unwrapped nothing, right? And we have just uppercased nothing. So in order to fix this, we also know we can just do something like that. We check the word contains something, so it's not empty. And so if it contains something, then we can just safely get the value out of it. And if not, we just do nothing. Right, so if we run our code again, then now finally we will, if this thing runs, so of course we have nothing printed out. This condition just fails because we have nothing inside of our word box. So let's just put something inside, like donkey. And if we run our code now, then we will see our donkey just uppercased. Okay, great. Then this works just perfectly fine. But also this time, there's a better solution, namely the optional chaining. So let's just see how this works. Again, we will print our word, and now question mark dot uppercase. And that's it. So what I want you to think about this code here is that we have our box here, and we chain this with this dot uppercase function. And this question mark here will just unwrap this box. So we will get nothing, or we will get something out of this. And if we get nothing, then if we look at our chain here, then of course we cannot chain something with nothing, right? So this chain will just fail and this function will be ignored. And on the other hand, if we have something, then of course we can chain it with something, and then this will work, and we will print out this something in uppercase. So let's just run this code, and what you will see is that we have our donkey here, but also we see that this thing here returns us an optional value. And if you think about it closely, then you will notice that this makes a lot of sense, because remember, if we have nothing here, then this function will be ignored and we will just land with nothing again. And if we have something here, then we will uppercase it and land with something. So for that, of course, we need a box to wrap this up. So we need an optional.